Did you know that one of the most common ingredients sitting in millions of kitchens today was never invented simply to make food taste better? Its origins actually lie in hunger, food shortages, and the struggle to feed millions of people. The little seasoning cube in your cupboard has a remarkable history shaped by war, innovation, and survival. By the end of this video, you'll never look at it the same way again. Today, seasoning cubes are found in homes across Africa, Europe, Asia, and the Americas. People use them almost without thinking. But imagine living more than a century ago. There were no refrigerators. Fresh meat spoiled quickly. Families often struggled to preserve food. Cities were growing rapidly. Millions of factory workers needed cheap meals that could be prepared quickly. Food was becoming one of society's biggest challenges. In the late 19th century, a Swiss entrepreneur named Julius Maggi saw an opportunity. Rather than creating luxury food, he wanted to solve a serious problem. Workers needed meals that were affordable, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Maggi began experimenting with concentrated food extracts. His goal was simple: create something that could add nutrition and flavor while lasting much longer than fresh ingredients. That idea would eventually change kitchens all over the world. The invention became even more important during times of war. As conflicts disrupted farming and food supplies, governments searched for ways to feed both soldiers and civilians. Concentrated foods became essential. They were inexpensive, easy to transport, simple to store, and could turn basic ingredients into satisfying meals. Although today's seasoning cubes have evolved over time, their roots remain closely connected to solving the challenge of feeding large populations efficiently. Here's something even more surprising. Many of the everyday products we use today have similar origins. Instant coffee, canned food, powdered milk, even frozen meals. Many became popular because societies needed practical ways to feed growing populations or cope with difficult circumstances. History is full of inventions born not from luxury, but from necessity. Sometimes the greatest innovations emerge during humanity's hardest moments. Today, billions of seasoning cubes are sold every year. People use them in soups, stews, rice, sauces, and countless traditional dishes around the world. Most never stop to think about where the idea came from. Yet every cube carries with it a fascinating story of science, industry, and human resilience. It's a reminder that even the smallest objects in our kitchens can have extraordinary histories. Walk into a kitchen in Lagos, and you'll find a pot of egusi soup simmering over a flame. A seasoning cube goes in without a second thought. In Jakarta, a family stirs one into their evening meal. In Mexico City, it seasons a slow-cooked stew. In India, it enriches a spiced lentil dal. The seasoning cube has no single home. It belongs to everyone who ever needed a quick, affordable way to bring a meal to life. What began as a solution to hunger has quietly become one of the world's most universal ingredients. That said, it's worth knowing what's inside your seasoning cube. Many commercial varieties are high in sodium and contain additives that some people prefer to avoid. The good news? There are healthier alternatives. Fresh herbs like thyme, rosemary, and basil can add deep flavor without the salt. Dried spices, cumin, turmeric, smoked paprika, carry extraordinary complexity on their own. Homemade stock from simmered vegetables or bones delivers richness with full control of what goes in. And a new wave of low-sodium, additive-free seasoning cubes now gives you the convenience of the original without the compromise. So the next time you drop a seasoning cube into your favorite meal, remember, you're holding a small invention whose story stretches back more than a century. Subscribe for more episodes where we uncover another unbelievable piece of history.